Have you ever had a problem with a wing eyeliner? I know, I've been there. Well, with lots of practice, I promise you that you will be able to do it in just one swipe. Just one swipe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing an eyeliner tutorial. When someone asked me to do an eyeliner tutorial, the first thing that came in my mind was, really? And then the second thing that came in my mind was, it's gonna be 2 minutes video. I don't know how it's gonna be. I was a little bit skeptical about it, but then I thought maybe I can do this. So what I've done is I've summed up all the ways and techniques of applying eyeliner, and then I'll show you the way I find it easiest to apply, and hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. You can notice I don't have any eyelashes on today because I wanted to completely focus on the eyeliner. So yeah, let's get ahead and get started with our video today. There are different kind of eyeliner in the market nowadays, but if I have to suggest you one eyeliner, I would tell you to go with liquid eyeliner because it is the most easiest one to play around with. Just to let you guys know, there are eyeliner which are pencil eyeliner like this. Most of the people are familiar with this kind of eyeliner. However, when it comes to eyeliner, I think this kind of eyeliner are easier for you to play around while you want to create that smoky eye look, or you want to smudge that eyeliner instead of having it as your wing eyeliner, because it will kind of smudge throughout the day and it's not very long lasting. The second one is liquid eyeliner with felt tip, and this is the one I'm talking about. You might want to go with this one because it is easier to play around and you can have that control with this kind of eyeliner. The next one is liquid eyeliner again, but this one has that long tip, and to use this kind of liquid eyeliner you really need to have that control with your hand, otherwise it can be a real struggle for you. And the next one is my favorite one, and I like to play around with this one. This is gel eyeliner, and when it comes to eyeliner, these are the ones that last longer compared to any other eyeliner. And for this kind of eyeliner you need to use brush. Talking about brush, there are different kind of brush. The one like this that have that slanted shape, it will be really help to get in that inner corner and get that shape. This is MAC 263. Similar to it, I have MAC 266, and then the other one is MAC 210. This is a really precise one, so it will really help you to get that precise line in your inner corner, or even you can line a wing eyeliner with this one. So this one is the one from Maybelline, and this comes for free when you buy it with your Maybelline gel eyeliner. And I really like this one because you know how lip brush can give you that precise lip shape. It has that exact shape, and that is what I'm going to say next. You can even use your lip brush for your eyeliner. That's what I like to do. So it has that precise shape, so it will really help you to get that precise line while creating a wing shape. So yeah, you can work out with your lip brush as well. Always remember to curl your lashes before you do your eyeliner, because when you are curling your lashes with your curler, it might take few of your eyeliner. It's gonna mess up all your hard work, so make sure that you curl your lashes first. Okay, so first I'm going to create a straight line starting from my lower lash line, and then I'm going to draw it towards the tail of my eyebrow. While creating a line, as you go higher, you might want to release the pressure of your hand so that the line gets thinner towards the end. Once you have created that straight line, what you want to do is from the middle of the line, you might want to take or pull the line all the way down to the lash line so that you are kind of creating that triangle shape. Once you have got that triangle shape, go ahead and fill in all this space. If you have a very unstable hand, you can rest your hand somewhere so that you can get that steady hand, and also you can get a good control of your eyeliner. Next, I'm going to create a line starting from the very inner corner of my eye, And then I'm going to take it all the way to the lash line and connect it with the triangle that we just created. And again, make sure that you fill in all the gaps and spaces.
Now what if you have an accident and you want to remove it? Well, I got your back. Take a Q-tip and then take an eye makeup remover. Dip your Q-tip in the eye makeup remover and then go ahead and remove the area that you want to. Now what if you don't have eye makeup remover? Any guess? Well, if you have a toner that has been lying in the corner of your house, take it out and make use of it. Doesn't have to be any specific toner. Just dip your Q-tip in it and go ahead and remove the area that you want to.
If you aren't confident with your wing eyeliner, what you can do is use a tape. You can place your tape starting from your lower lash line and then put it towards the tail of your eyebrow. You can just start filling in and do what we have just done with our other side. So once you are done, you can take off the tape. Be very gentle because we don't want any wrinkles there. And voila, you got that perfect wing eyeliner in just one go. If you want to make your eyes look bigger, don't go ahead and line your entire eye space because it will close up your eyes. Instead of lining your whole lash line, just tight line your upper lash line with your black eyeliner and it will really open up your eyes. Remember how we used to use that white eyeliner to open up our eyes? Well, you can still use it, but if you use nude eyeliner instead of white eyeliner, it will really help to open up your eyes and also matches your skin better and looks more natural. When it comes to lining your lower lash line, you might want to avoid using liquid eyeliner because it kind of has that harsh line. So what you can do is instead go with pencil eyeliner. You can smudge it and also you can smoke out the look. If you're having a problem with your eyeliner smudging throughout the day, what you can do is take an eyeshadow that is similar to your eyeliner. You can go ahead and set your eyeliner with your eyeshadow and it will really help the eyeliner to stay in the place all day without smudging. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. When it comes to wing eyeliner, it takes a lot of practice, but once you get the hang of it, I promise you that it gets so much easier. So yeah, I hope that I've been able to input all the techniques that would be helpful for you guys. Don't overwhelm yourself with wing eyeliner because I know I've been there. Just have fun with it. Alright guys, I would like to sign off for now. Thank you for tuning in with me and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. By the end of this video, I might get few wrinkles because I've been rubbing my eyes and I'm so tired. Stop chewing your gum. It's really annoying.
Are you hungry?
No. What do you ask? You are hungry.
I feel.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
And that's a wrap.